say that motherhood completes a woman, but in this journey, a woman goes through a lot, especially post pregnancy, and the worst effect is on our skin. Our skin suffers very badly, whether it is your face or other parts of your body. On your face, we face dark spots, pigmentation, acne, puffy eyes, dark circles, and a lot more, dullness. But do not let all these skin problems make you enjoy your motherhood less. So enjoy your motherhood more with Mom's Little World. And if you are new to my channel, I am Sushma. I am a mother of two, and we are gonna discuss today how to maintain your pregnancy glow or how to regain your skin glow after delivering a baby. If you are new to my channel, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to ring the bell icon. Otherwise, you won't be able to get the notification for new uploads. So let's get started. We have already posted a video regarding postpartum pregnancy skincare in a previous session. So after watching this video, make sure कि आपको वीडियो जरूर here we are gonna discuss about the cures, some natural DIYs. So very important factor when it comes to skin care is hydration. Hydrated आपकी skin जितनी ज़्यादा रहेगी उतनी कम उसमें problems आएंगी. So when you're from the day you conceived, keep sure that your water intake is adequate. You are drinking at least 5 to 6 liters of water. If you are drinking that 8 liters of water, it is more than perfect. But वो literally बहुत कम ही हो पाता है unless until it is summer. And keep intake of juices or some soups always in your diet and keep it very healthy. And सोना बहुत ज़रूरी है. So whenever you are feeling tired, just go and take a nap. Suppose if you're working, try to grab a power nap of 15 to 20 minutes in your lunch hour. Or if you're coming back from travel, like if you're coming back to home and you're traveling, try to grab a nap. 15-20 मिनट्स का मिल गया, 10-15 मिनट का भी नैप मिल गया. तो जब भी आपको टाइम मिले, do not forget to nap. In spite of checking emails and phone and messages, those things can wait in life, and everyone can manage of their own when you are taking care of yourself, and that is very important. Next thing which is very important is how your daily skin routine is. It means are you very regular on taking care of skin, जो कि normal होता है, cleansing and then toning and hydration. So hydration here means is moisturizing your skin based on your skin type. If your skin is dry, then use a water based moisturizer, और अगर आपकी oily है then use accordingly whichever suits you. And the person of sensitive skin must be very careful. The best part is you can use it in winters and you can also use it in summers. So I use this one from Urban Botanics. It's made in India and it's a very good one because here it is mentioned that it is 99% pure aloe vera gel, and you can see it is transparent like the one you get from the leaf. तो अगर आपके पास एलोवेरा प्लांट है तो वेल एंड गुड, आप वो यूज़ कर लीजिए आराम से. और नहीं तो यू कैन गेट इट आराम से ऑन अमेजोन पे अवेलेबल है. यू कैन चेक इट ऑन अदर वेबसाइट ऑल्सो. आई हैव नॉट चेक्ड, आई बॉट इट फ्रॉम अमेजोन and it's really wonderful. I'm using it from a really long time. You can use this vitamin E के capsules आते हैं Evian के नाम से 400 Evian 400. So you can use this one. See, there's an E400. You can get this packet of 10 capsules for a price of 100 rupees. So I think it's reasonable. I'm going to tell you how to make this DIY cream, which you can use daily, overnight. Leave it on your face overnight, and then be ready for the magic that we are waiting for, and the glow which you can see on my face. I'm telling you, I apply no makeup. Okay, it's like नहीं हो सकता मेरे से, ना तो मेरे पास इतना टाइम है ना एनर्जी है. I just put a lipstick and a kajal and good to go, and moisturizer, good to go. इससे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं हो सकता. हाँ, even in marriages, the max I do is a dark lipstick and some hairstyling. That's it, not more than that. And I can guarantee you कि आपको इससे बहुत ज़्यादा help So let's go ahead. Hi, mommies. So I hope you have seen all those steps and you are very thorough with it. So please follow it. So share with your friends, families, or whoever is a new mom or going to be a new mom, और जिनको भी इससे थोड़ी सी भी help हो सकती है. So please उनसे share कीजिए. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more such video. If you have any thoughts, like if you want to see any videos or if you want to discuss any new point, please put it into the comment box so that we can discuss it later. And the coming session will be on the stretch marks detail and hair care. So stay tuned.